Hello everyone. The new year's is the best time to focus on growth. Every person should choose at least one thing that can improve their life, and learning English should be one of them. English is not just a language, it is like a bridge to connect to the world. Uh, it's help us communicate with the different people from different countries and give access to better education, better job and better information. Most books, courses and opportunities are available fast in English. You do not need any perfect grammar or strong accent. What matters is being understood. Every simple English build confidence. In the new years, make English part of your daily life. Read a little, speak a little, even listen a little. Why, with the time, you will feel natural. Learning English is an investment in yourself and it's always give a returns. So I'm also not perfect, but I'm trying to give my best and I'm trying to learn every day a little that can be helped to improve my English. So thank you so much, and আমি চেষ্টা করব from today I will speak a little bit in English and upload in social media. And পচানোর কিছু নাই, let's try and inshallah do something together. Assalamu alaikum.